In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert an equal sign in an Excel cell without turning it into a formula. By default, Microsoft Excel automatically treats anything that begins with an equal sign as a calculation. While this is useful for formulas, there are situations where you simply want to display the equal sign as text, such as when creating instructions, examples, or documentation inside a spreadsheet. The easiest and most reliable way to do this is by adding an apostrophe before the equal sign. Simply click on the cell where you want the text to appear, type an apostrophe followed immediately by the equal sign and your text, then press Enter. Once you confirm the entry, Excel will display the equal sign normally, but it will no longer function as a formula. The apostrophe itself will not be visible in the cell. It only acts as an instruction telling Excel to treat the content as plain text. Another method is to change the cell format before typing anything. Start by selecting the cell or range of cells where you plan to enter the equal sign. Go to the Home tab, then locate the Number Format drop-down menu. From the list of options, choose Text. After setting the format to text, you can type the equal sign directly into the cell, and Excel will keep it exactly as written instead of converting it into a formula. This approach is especially helpful when you plan to enter multiple entries that all begin with an equal sign. There is also a simple workaround that involves placing a space before the equal sign. Click the cell, type a space, then type the equal sign and the rest of your content. Excel will recognize the entry as text because it no longer starts with the equal sign. Keep in mind, however, that the space will remain in the cell unless you remove it manually, which may affect alignment in some cases. Among these methods, using an apostrophe is generally the fastest and most commonly used solution because it works instantly and does not change the appearance of your text. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.